Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. We are officially ready to ship. I want to try this out for a little bit. I want to see how it goes. I'm hoping it's less stress on me. It's better for you guys because you're getting things faster. So our new processing time is 1 to 3 business days. And I'm gonna just continue this for the amount of time that I can. Mom just got back yesterday. She's gonna start working Saturday, so I'm hoping that that will really help speed up this process. And I did a poll and I asked if you guys would rather have new releases, 2 new collections every week or 4 new collections every 2 weeks. And it was pretty close, but majority did vote for 2 collections every week. So I'm gonna attempt that for right now. So for this week, I do have other collections that we're already in the process of like stocking, but I'm only gonna release these 2 for this week because I feel like that's kind of the only way I can keep up with it if it's gonna be an every week type thing is if we stop at 2. So I grabbed the glossy version of this collection and I shoved them all in this one cello. And then I grabbed the premium versions of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this kit right here. So this is called Cruise and I love this kit. I think it is so cute. I really love how it turned out. The foiling on this kit is light gold and I'm gonna actually go cut off this overhead light so that you can see the foil a little bit better. Okay, that helped. So you guys can see, we got some light gold foiling, and it's been a while since I've used light gold in a kit, but I thought for this one, it was just so perfect. So your quote box up top says vacay mode. It has this really cute arrow with a heart going through it. We've got this girl right here with the palm trees. I thought she was super cute. Hello Summer foiled on this hat as well as the bow. We've got the anchor with, what is this, the lifesaver foiled here. Cute hands that have the heart shape. We have got the drinks and the popsicles, and then down here, this box has these 2 girls with their, that looks like wine to me. And then I did just like a little foil line of string lights up there. And then down here, we have got the cruise ship in the background, and this is just like kind of a double box. This is cut regularly. You guys can see, so it doesn't actually like take up the whole space, but I thought she was pretty cute. So for this kit, I'm not gonna be switching out any of the skin tones because what I did when I went through and designed this kit is I just kind of went back and forth with the different skin tones that were available. So I'm not going to be having like the different options since it is kind of every option that was there has been kind of like mixed in, if that makes any sense at all. So yeah, those are the full boxes. I really love how these turned out. I thought this was super cute. Also, I really love the colors. I think it's really different, and that is these right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, I don't know if I mentioned, but this is the deluxe version of the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the bottom washi that goes with this. So you've got this cute bikini and your bottom washi actually says girls just wanna have sun. So when this is laid out in the planner, this sun part would hit like right here on the 2nd page of the Erin Condren. I thought that was super, super cute. I wanted to do just a more basic way of foiling for this kit. There is still some that's like within the art, but like as far as the bottom washi, I really wanted to do a quote down there, and then I wanted to add in like the string lights and the other couple of collections that are gonna be coming out next week. I've done the same thing where I really just kind of went in and added in elements instead of mixing so much of it into the clip art. I've been kind of going back and forth between those 2 styles for a while. But yeah, so your quote says girls just wanna have sun, and then you've got your foiled date covers down at the bottom. But I just wanted to show like kind of the 2 foiled sheets together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go through the actual deluxe kit. So like I said, those were your full boxes. We're gonna go ahead and flip past those. Your next sheet has your weekend banner, 2 flags, your date numbers, your cutout icons, your scripts, movie marquee. Next sheet has your labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, tiny little boxes. I don't even know what to call those. Your next sheet has your little things, your headers, and then some more boxes up top. And again, like how fun are these colors? I thought this was so cute for summer. I really love the colors. You've got your ombre heart checklist, your flags, your 2 daily trackers, and then back to that bottom washi. So all of that was the deluxe version of the kit. I think there's gonna be a reformat coming up pretty soon. I've been kind of like playing around with some stuff that I really want to maybe change up these kits just a bit. But yeah, so there's the deluxe version of the kit. Next, I'm going to go ahead and show you the mini version. I do want to say we'll have glossy as well as premium, but since all of this is ready to ship, there are limited stock numbers. If things sell out, I will add it to the list for us to do a restock. I just don't know, because of us doing it this way, Mom and I should say, I don't know when we'll be able to do a restock. We're gonna try to keep up with that, but doing ready to ship and then trying to add anything at all else in is gonna be a lot. I'm still trying to figure out how we're gonna get back to doing the $2 Tuesday sheets that we were doing, but we'll figure that out. So for your mini kit, you have the exact same full boxes. Your next sheet is your scripts. You've got your daily trackers, weekly trackers, bill due, heart checklist, cutout icons, movie marquee, weekend banner. And then your next sheet has your little things, your headers, some quarter boxes, and some labels. And then your last sheet has that same bottom washi, and then you've got some more half boxes, marquees, and then regular washi up top. Super cute. And then we will also have B6 available. So for the B6 collection, we ended up losing this box right here that had the hands, and I just replaced it with this leaf pattern. This is cut washi right here. So everything else though remained the same. You've still got the same foiling on all of your boxes, and I didn't want to lose this double box here. So you've got your 3 glitter quarter boxes down at the bottom. You've got your labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, tiny boxes. Next sheet has your labels up top. You've got a row of glitter headers, a row of various headers, daily tracker, weekly tracker, flags, 3 heart checklist, and then your little things down at the bottom. And then I was able to keep that quote on this bottom washi. So same thing, it just says girls just want to have sun. Obviously a lot smaller, but I was also able to keep that bikini there. And then you've got your foiled date covers down the sides, and then your glitter strips, icons, and your cutout scripts right there. So all of that was the cruise collection. I just realized I did not grab glitter headers or date covers for either one of these kits. They're still in there, in the office I should say, but those will also be available tomorrow. So the next thing that I've got is, I'm in love with this because I love Disney, but this I called A Whole New World. So this is the Aladdin artwork that Coffee Doodles came out with, and it is so beautiful. Like I said, I did, those were glossy. These I just grabbed the premium matte so I could, you know, kind of, I guess, show one that was gloss and one that was premium. We do have, or I should say, I did do less of the premium kits than I did of the glossy because we sell more glossy. But yeah, so for this I wanted to do way more simple foiling. So I ended up doing just the galaxy overlays for the foiling, other than this quote box, which as you guys can see has the genie lamp. It says A Whole New World. But for the rest of it, I really just wanted it simple because this art is so beautiful, but there's like a lot happening and I didn't want to take away from the art. So like I said, your quote box says A Whole New World. You have got up here the magic carpet and then this cute little like floor cushion. Over here, you have got the palace, this gorgeous like lantern. Here's another lamp with this big gemstone. Another lantern. You've got the part of like the pool out back, and then I wanted to keep this scene, or do this scene I should say. So this is like Jasmine with, I can't remember the tiger's name, somebody can tell me in the comments, but I wanted to keep that whole scene, which I thought that was super cute. And this is done the same way as Cruise, where this is cut. It's not like one giant box, but. So yeah, that is the full boxes. Again, this is on premium matte, so these colors are gonna show a good bit richer than they will on glossy. So moving on to your next sheet, you have got your weekend banner, your date numbers, your icons, and your scripts. Next sheet has your appointment labels, your tiny boxes, your quarter boxes, and your half boxes. Next sheet has your little things, your headers, and then some boxes up top. Then you've got your ombre heart checklist, your flags, and your daily trackers. And then you've got your bottom washi, cut washi, and weekly tracker, and then your date covers down here. So I wanted to do the same thing down here for the bottom washi. It's kind of hard to see. Just that galaxy pattern. If you've seen in our shop the Galaxy overlays, this is that same pattern. It is so difficult. There we go. It is very, very sparkly, but I don't think it takes away from like what you're actually like looking at in the artwork. So I really love how this turned out. And then down at the bottom, you have your foil date covers. So all of that was the deluxe version of this kit on premium matte. And then I have also got here the mini, as well as 1,000 cello bags. What's happening? And then I've got B6 too. So same thing for the full boxes. And then you've got your daily trackers, weekly trackers, heart checklist, icons, scripts, movie marquee. Next sheet has your headers, your little things. You've got some quarter boxes and some labels. And then you've got that same foiled bottom washi here, which I'm having a really difficult, there we go. And then you've got some cut washi, some half boxes, and some marquees. And then for B6, the box that we ended up losing was the palace scene. And that was mostly because I didn't want to lose foil. I didn't want to lose the garden, and I didn't want to lose the double box, and then I didn't want to lose anything that had foiling on it. So the palace scene right there is what had to go. So down here is just cut washi. You have got 3 glitter quarter boxes. Your next sheet has your appointment labels, your tiny boxes, quarter boxes, and half boxes. I'm just gonna start calling them tiny boxes because, yeah, 1/8 boxes, I guess that would make more sense. You've got labels up top, you've got your glitter headers, you've got a row of various headers, daily tracker, weekly tracker, flags, 3 heart checklist, and then your little things down at the bottom. And then same thing as far as the foiling on this goes. I just did that same Galaxy pattern. It's just smaller. There you go. It's so much shine, but it doesn't really take away from the pattern that is, you know, within this. So I really like how that looked. And then your foil date covers, you've got your icons and your scripts. So that was the B6 kit. So those are the 2 new collections that will be available tomorrow. Because stock is limited, since they are ready to ship, I'm gonna make sure that these don't go up until like exactly like noon Eastern Standard Time. Generally, I'll kind of put them up as I like am done doing the listings. But since these are gonna be limited, I will make sure that they don't go up until noon. But yeah, so I hope you guys love this week's new releases. I hope you're excited for ready to ship, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.